Hello and welcome to another episode of Minutes with Margaret. I am Margaret Coates, Superintendent of Owasso Public Schools, and I'm excited to be here today in this Tipi with our Coordinator of Indian Education, Mr. Owen Hawzipta. So we're in a Tipi. We talked last year about Indian education, and so I know every year you do this activity with the Tipi. Can explain what we do with the Tipi and the significance of putting the Tipi up at our school sites.
Sure, absolutely. One of the things that Owasso Indian Education we try to pride ourselves on is the things that we provide culturally to students and families across the district is an authentic as possible experience. Yep. So this is about as authentic as it gets. Yeah. So we do a number of things that try to provide that authenticity. So it's not just kind of made up. They can see that
it's
these
the real deal.
Yes, these are real.
They see how hard it is to put up, and how long it takes.
Yes, exactly.
All those things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this is one of those examples.
Yeah.
So we share this all around the district, sometimes by request, and we probably hit about 5 or 6 schools each year. We kind of rotate the schools so we make sure everybody gets the opportunity. We do it for a couple of reasons, well, a lot of reasons, but one of them is that to let students know not all Native Americans actually lived in Tipi.
Okay,
so
gotcha.
even though that's what they're seeing, and they don't necessarily see the alternative. It's just that they can see this part of it, and it's authentic and it's the real deal. And so we just also share with them that not all tribes, lived in the Tipi. And since we have a large Cherokee population, we specifically stress to those students that Cherokees did not live in Tipi.
They didn't. I didn't know that. Okay, awesome. All right, so recently we won the JOM, an award for JOM, kind of a national award for JOM. Tell me, what does JOM stand for, and what was the award for?
The JOM stands for Johnson O'Malley. I can't remember what year that was. It's 50 plus years. Johnson O'Malley for support for Native American students. And if you read the actual mission, it talks about academic support, but we kind of use it as kind of a cultural support, which supports academics, obviously, but we use it to provide these types of presentations to students. We use that funding to provide supplies to do the presentations that we do, craft or art or display type of thing. So we're able to use the funds in that manner. And it just allows us to bring that out to the students in the community. So that part is Johnson O'Malley, what it provides for the district. The particular award that we got is for Region 3. There's 4 regions, so there's actually 2 in each region. So we're one of 8 across the country that are being recognized in Denver next month. So we're just real pleased about that, just that somebody somewhere thought of us and thought to
the work that you've been doing and your group and organization.
Yes. We've never been nationally recognized, so we're really glad to and proud to accept that.
Yes, we're excited for you. Congratulations with that, and congratulations on all the good work with our Indian Ed program. Really excited that we have such a rich program here in Owasso. So thank you for all that you do.
Glad to do it.
And that concludes our episode of Minutes with Margaret.